This is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are here with a new fresh manicure. Spring is on the horizon, so we are going to be working with some pastel colors. And I also have a new nail stand. Check this out. I think this is just too adorable. It's a cow patterned nail stand. So we are doing a pastel print for spring, cow prints. I also have, and I got these from Tammy's Manis for my birthday. These are two super cute. Look at them. They're itty bitty little cow heads. Whoa, where am I? Right here, right here, right here. Look at how cute those are. I think they are adorable. So we are going to dive back in and continue putting our cow prints on our nail. Take you some brown or black paint, polish, acrylic nail art, whatever you're using, lacquer. Lacquer works too. Make you some cow prints, fill them in. We have not cured the other nails yet, so we're going to do that all together. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all for all future uploads, giveaways, and anything important that may come along. And we do have a giveaway going. We have got our She Modern Saturday giveaway. For the sticky stamping polish, you get a set of white and black stamping polish. So enter me under, or put enter me under any She Modern Saturday video. Look at those. Aren't those just too adorable? And with being on the stand, I think that is too cute. Too cute. So we're going to stick these in a lamp. We are going to give them a full cure. Whoopsie. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back after much delay. I kind of paused everything and got up and did a few things and forgot about my video. So I'm terribly sorry. We are going to top coat with She Modern's Shiny Glossy Top Coat. Get a look at that. They have top coats. They got color top coats, colored glue gel and stuff, and they've got all kinds of goodies. I got my cows here. We're gonna put these on the index and ring finger. These are just too sweet. We're gonna top coat each nail, pop them in the lamp for a full cure. And I think these came out really, really cute. Really cute. Thought it was a very cute idea to do a pastel cow manicure. I don't think I've ever seen one. It's always the black and the white. You know, the traditional cow print. So I thought to do a pastel for spring was a really great idea. Really great idea. Whoops. Way too much top coat there. Way too much. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Are you watching, Sassy? Whoopsie. So here we go. My cow stand. I think this is so adorable. You're going to see a lot more of this stand in the coming manicures. So I'm going to pop that in, give that a full... Oh, shoot. I forgot to put my cows on. Ugh. Let me get these babies up here. There we go. Look how cute that looks. I think that is so adorable. So adorable. So now we're going to pop those in, give them a full 60-second cure. Oh, shoot. A full 60-second cure. Straighten my mat back out. Get everything copacetic. And don't forget about my She Modern giveaway. We have recently hit 1,300 subscribers, and I want to thank everybody who took part in getting me there. All my new subbies, I greatly appreciate you. I appreciate everyone that sent subscribers over to my channel. I don't want to name anybody because I don't want to leave anybody out. But I thank everybody. It really means a lot to me to have reached this milestone. So the next on the horizon is 1,400. So let's see if we can get me there and what kind of giveaway we will have for that. See what subscribers pop up between now and then and what kind of sponsors we get. So check out the She Modern Saturday videos. Make sure you enter. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. And you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and uploads. We are done in the lamp. Here we go. Our manicure is complete. I think this looks really, really super cute. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of said manicure. And until next time, have yourself a blessed day and thank you.